Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, Lake County in northeastern Ohio, southwestern Ashtabula County in northeastern Ohio, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:27 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Perry to near Lakewood, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: whiteout conditions with near zero visibility associated with intense bursts of heavy snow and gusty winds leading to blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source: radar and webcams. Impact: travel will become Ohio, northeastern Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, Lake County in northeastern Ohio, southwestern Ashtabula County in northeastern Ohio, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Source: radar and webcams. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. This snow squall will impact portions of I-90, I-480, I-271, and due south. Route 422. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Painesville, Willowick, Cheriton, Fairport Harbor, Euclid, Mentor, Cleveland Heights, Solon, Willoughby, Twinsburg, Eastlake, Warrensville Heights, Macedonia, South Russell, Middlefield, Perry, Orwell, Britain, and Highland Hills. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions. Reduce speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. The forecast for